to everyone. How are you? This is Joanna, and I am here in the bathroom, and I wanted to share with you this area right here. This is the second set of shelves that I got off Amazon because, as you know, the other ones did not work with that corner over there. And as you can see, I moved this from this spot here because it kept slipping. And I moved these little things here up, and I used the command shower caddy hook, which is working really great so far. Now, what I had to do with that was the standard directions were to wipe the area with the alcohol wipe that was included. Go ahead and adhere the adhesive strips and then lift that white piece off. Take a shower. I guess the heat in the shower activated the strips. And then 24 hours later, attach the white part back. And then I started filling things. And I think this is all that I'm going to put on there. As you can see, I still had Finchberry soaps. I have a bag of 4 somewhere. I couldn't find them, but I found my box of 4. So I have my Finchberry soaps here. And then I went ahead and put these scrubs in that shower gel there that I do plan on using. And then these. Now, I did have this upside down, but because the cap is a bit loose, it started dripping a little bit. So I figure what I'll do is when I'm ready to use it, which this will be the first one that I go ahead and use. I'll be targeting this my 3 days of work. I like the way it smells, and I also like the way it smells when I'm not working, but I'm going to target that to go ahead and use it up. I have other things in here, as you can see. And what I've done over here is I've placed those there because that Olay in shower lotion is almost done. I'd say it's a little bit past a third of the way of being full. And then the Dove one, it should be at the level of that flower. And then the 2 fuller ones is the Olive Olay one is fuller, and I don't know if you can see the mark about right there on that one. So I do plan on using those. And what this here was about is, as y'all can see, I am not hurting for bath loofahs. I have several of these 2 bags, plus more in drawers. Y'all know that I went ham on those rainbow ones. So instead of using my 2 that I had, I'm going to go ahead and pick a couple of these and attach them there. Probably the purple one because I plan on utilizing my apricot wash, the lavender and apricot, but I've got this like this. So this is the little thing I'm going to start putting up there. We're going to see how this does. Now with those right there, I attached this earlier in the week, and then I just put these up there last night. So about 9 o'clock tonight should be the 24 hours, and I don't think I have them straight. I don't know. I can't really tell. That was the best I could do because I tried to pull them, line up the one under there and pull it straight down. I did pencil markings, but I still had to pull the adhesive off. So once I did that, I could not take and line up the bottom one and slide it down because it would stick to the wall. So I had to just do a pencil mark and place it. And I don't know if you can see the pencil mark under there. And that's what I hate is it's not like water's going to get back there and wash it away. It's going to be stuck there. Whereas the first one, I was able to get rid of it. So we're going to see how that does. Now, I do plan on putting a soap dish here somewhere, as well as that acrylic one that I had. I want to put one down there for when you're sitting in the tub and just one up here somewhere. But I've also got that right there. And then I was going to get a second one of these and put it over here, but I don't think that I will now. What I might do is get 2 more of these and maybe position them there. I don't know, because I don't want it to be too crowded, but I've been watching a lot of shower storage videos, getting ideas from a lot of ladies on here. And what I do want to put along this wall is the acrylic 2-piece container set that I'm going to be ordering on the 15th. It is set up a little bit different because, like I said, that one I had to take the pieces off, run the shower, and then let it set. This one I had to tack it to the wall, and I used a pencil eraser just to smooth all this out. Like, I actually went through everywhere and just went around with a normal pencil eraser, or you can use those big pink erasers, but that helped me. I made sure that I didn't get it on the wall, and it wasn't very hard to do. It just basically flattened out all that space under there, and it wasn't a ton, but it was like I just noticed that, it rubbed away the gaps. So here, the acrylic storage, I would put bottles that size, but I'm not going to put those there. I have the Olay lavender that I plan on putting there. I have my Clairol Moroccan shampoo and conditioner, and I have my Pantene, what's it called? Co-wash shampoo. And then I think I have another shower gel that I'm going to put there. But the purpose of the acrylic ones that I want to put right here, and it's just going to be those two pieces, is you can store things upside down. Now, if I moved, this would go with me. This right here says that you cannot take it down and then reuse it. You would have to order new strips. Now, the box came with 3 strips and 2 baskets, so I guess it gave an extra strip in case we made a mistake with one. I haven't tried to order a strip yet, but I need to look into that to make sure I get the same ones. Or I would just leave this here because I think the landlord would be okay with that because it would be an additive in here and it would give someone storage, and then I would take this. Now, the acrylic ones that I want to order actually come with some type of adhesive. So we're going to fasten these baskets up there and just see how they do. I think a little bit after 8 is when it'll be 24 hours, but we're just going to see. And then all I'll do is wait for the little soap dish and the acrylic. But I will attach that one in here at some point as well. So we're going to figure out which one of these little puffy things I'm going to use. And as you can see, these are all Bath and Body Works. I had all kinds of colors. There's even a gold one around here somewhere from when they came out with the Magic in the Air. But I will probably utilize a purple one. And then a lot of times I have a cream colored one. So I'm trying to find ones that are of the same color. So I'll just put that one there for now. So that's how it looks, and I'm not sure what I'm going to put on the bottom yet. I'm going to make sure that I put things on there that I need to currently use up. Some of the things that I had showed y'all when I first had this up, I'm going to pick some of those things and put them in there and make sure that I'm going through some things that I need to get through. I have a cotton and my Cherimoya body wash that are changing colors on me. See how it used to be? This one isn't very old. The coconut one, I think I got it over the summer, but see how the Underwater Oasis holds its color and this green one does? Some of their shower gels don't tend to hold their color. So those are the ones that I think I'm going to try to line up in the bottom. Still not entirely sure that I got that straight, but I do love the way that that looks. And then the things that I will be using, I will be placing along the side of the tub. So this is a scrub that I'm going to use, and this is the actual body care that I'm going to also pull out. And then this is one of the scrubs that I had opened that I'm using next because y'all know that I finished my first one of those right there. So I'm going to put that there like that and utilize those spaces for some of those and maybe put a thing or two over there in that corner since I don't know how this is going to be when it's wet. But I kind of like this. I'm kind of excited about this. So thanks to all the inspiration that I picked up here on YouTube and on Instagram. And then after that, I just started looking everywhere. So we're going to put some more usable items on the bottom. So what we're going to do in here so far is going to be this lavender and spring apricot. This scent is very close to the one that came out with the peach honey something one, that apple and lavender blossom. And I'm going to utilize this. So this one right here and this one I'm going to be utilizing for work these 3 days that I work. But I also want to make sure I put a new set in here so that I have something, because sometimes you know how you just want to break into something new. So we're going to put my warm milk and honey here. We're going to put this wrapped in sugar here and my Bali Blue Surf, which still smells good, but it's not its original color. So I think that might be it. I did get a few new items. I picked up a few of the other items that I wanted to get, and I will share those with you because one of them I'm curious about trying. So I went back to Walmart because they had listed that they had two of these on the site, and this is the colloidal oatmeal and calendula. I did say I wanted a second one of these. They had two. They had plenty of the rice milk macadamia. Now, when I was in there, y'all heard me say they had 5 brown sugars. I think a lot of people are watching social media. A girl came in right behind me, took the last brown sugar because I was going to go ahead and think about getting it, but I knew that I wanted this one hands down, and I do have enough scrubs as far as to get me started. But when we get paid and I order my Nespresso order and those new acrylic shower shells, I'm going to go back between Walmart and Target and get as many of these as I can get. Now, Target had a lot of the pomegranate and the rice milk macadamia. Walmart had the brown sugar, the pomegranate, the mango, and I do like the plain one, so I want a lot of that and a lot of the brown sugar. And then this right here, I wouldn't mind 2 more of these because I do plan on using these. So that's one thing that I got that I won't be utilizing just yet. And then I found the exotic bloom. Now, I don't really smell this a whole lot, but I do smell it a little bit. But because I have the cream, I do like it. And then I'll share the other 2 items with you in the bathroom. I'm going to place them in there that I got from Ulta. So one of the other items that I was able to get in Ulta was this Tree Hut shave oil. And I don't shave a whole lot like I used to. The hair on my legs is pretty thin and under my arms, but I do need to shave from time to time. And I have found a lot of my razors boxed up. Now, I wanted the vanilla one, and I will probably order that one because I plan on also placing an Ulta order and a Sephora order. And we'll put that there. And the next thing I got my hands on was I was deciding between the citrus, the cherry, and this one. And I went ahead and got this one. As you know, I work in nursing, and sometimes it can be grueling hard work. And being that I'm a little older now, I get pretty stiff. I feel like I used to when I was younger and I first started working out, that soreness that you get. Plus, I can't find any reviews on YouTube on this. Every time I find something, it's the deodorant. So I bit the bullet and I got the Epsom salt lavender extract one. And I will be breaking into this, if not Saturday, Sunday. So I am going to go ahead and use my rice flour shea there for at least 2 of my 3 working days, but probably Friday or Saturday before my last day will be when I break into this, and I will utilize that purple thing right there. But I just want to try this out. For the most part, all of the shower things that I heard about on YouTube, I have gotten. And so I think it's pretty okay in here. Y'all let me know, because this bathroom is small in an apartment, but this isn't bad. I'm pretty pleased with this. And maybe I'll leave that alone. Maybe I don't need anything up there. But like I said, I didn't get to get the Hampy set like that I wanted. And it's actually shaped like this kind of. Like it's this material, but it's got a dip. So if I put anything there, I would probably get 2 of those, but I would only utilize 1. And I don't exactly know what I'd put there yet. But I think this is enough. Because that, besides that Underwater Oasis, is all brand new, unused stuff. But I had to have an unscented wash in here. That dial behind there. And I've got 2 of my hyaluronic washes in here. And then this right here will be some older things. Now, I am going to put something else there. I just don't know what yet. I'm going to see what I got in the way of my open washes. And I wasn't sure I had the space right there either. But I think I'll start with this. So y'all let me know. I think this looks a lot better. And like I said, if I leave, I will talk to the landlord. I'm not going anywhere right now. But the next time he comes here, like if I need him to fix the water in the bathroom, I will ask him if he wants me to leave these here, if he feels like they would be beneficial for the next tenant. Because like I said, I would have to order new adhesive, or the choice to leave them here anyway. And then this I can take with me. And of course the command strips there, I can take that down, no problem. So that's it. I'm probably rambling on now, but until the next time, everyone have a great night. I'm so proud of this. Good night, everybody.